Hello friends, in this video we will try to understand that how to find all triplets for a given sum. So this is my input array, and we need to find out the combination of 3 should be equal to 22. So this is another example. Here my input array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and given sum equal to 9. So the combination of 3 should be equal to 9. So this is the one pair, like 5, 3, 1 is the combination where sum is equal to 9. So how we are going to solve this? We will solve using two approach. So first approach is very simple. We'll use brute force approach. In this approach, what we will do, we will just take three loops and then we will see, like, sum is equal to 22 or not. So first loop will start from here, the second loop will be start from here, and the third loop will be start from here. Okay, and it will the first, since I will start from 0, so the first loop will be end till here, the second loop will end here, and the third loop will be end here. Okay, so let's go to the code and we will see like how to find out. So this is my input array 1, 4, 45, 6, 10 and 8, and this is my target sum. So this is my method name where I am passing that input array and the target sum. So here what I am doing here, so firstly I am finding the length. So array dot length. So what is the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the length. After that I have taken three loops here. So first loop will start from 0 and it will go till n minus 2. Since I have started from 0, that's the reason I'm just taking till n minus 2. Okay. So the first loop is starting from 0 and it is going to n minus 2. The second loop is starting from I plus 1. So it will start from here and it will go till n minus 1. Okay. And the third loop I'm starting from j plus 1. I mean, I can start from I plus 2 also, but it's better, like, we'll start from j plus 1 and then it will go till n. Okay, so and after that what I'm doing in this if block, I'm just taking, like, the sum of array of I, array of j and array of k equal to is the target sum or not. So target sum is 22 here. Okay, if it is equal to target sum, then I will print the value. So let's debug the code and then we will understand. So I'll put one breakpoint here. Let's put one breakpoint here as well. Then I'll start my application. After that, I'll just go F10. So here, what is the length here? You can see 6 is the length. So first loop will start from 0 and it will go till n minus 2. The second loop is starting from n minus, like it is starting from I plus 1 and it will go till n minus 1. The third loop will start from j plus 1 and it will go till n. So array of I, array of j and array of k, we will see that. So array of I, array of I is 1. Then array of j is equal to 4 and array of k is equal to 45. Okay, so we'll see the what is the sum here. So is this equal to target sum? No, it's not equal to target sum. So that's the reason it is coming out from this loop. Similarly, it will go again, it will check that. So it will check and print the value. So I'll click on continue here. So if you see the output here, now you can see that, right? 4, 10 and 8 is the output, which is sum equal to 22. Okay, so this is first approach. The second approach, what we will do, but here, like, we'll see the time complexity and space complexity. So here the time complexity is big of NQ because we have taken three loops. That's the reason it is big of NQ. And the space complexity is big of n because we have just taken a space, but this is very constant, like, irrespective of any loop, it will be constant only. So we have that's the reason it is big of 1. Okay, the second approach, what we are going to do, that we'll use that the two pointer approach. So in two pointer approach, basically what we do, we just take the 3 pointers. So the first pointer would be start from I and the second and third would be left and right. So let's go to the code and I'll explain you. So this is my second method. So here what we have to do, firstly I'm just finding out the length, what is the length of the array, and the second thing what we have to do, we have to do the sorting of the array. So firstly, so we will use the array dot sort, and here we will pass our input value, so it will sort the value. So suppose this is my value here. After sorting, the value would be 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 45. in okay, after that what I'm doing, I have taken one loop here. So in loop, I'll start I from 0, so it will start from here, and inside that I have taken, like, left and right, 2 point array approach. So left would be start from I plus 1, so left would be start from here, and the right would be n minus 1. Since I have started from 0, so that's the reason I have just taken, like, right would be 45. So in the first, our first scenario, the I would be 4, the left would be sorry, I would be 1, left would be 4, and the right would be 45. Okay, after that I will use the while loop here. I'll check that if left is less than right. So left would be, like, always less than right. I mean, it should be less than right. After that it will go inside this block, because if it is greater than right, then we will not use. And after that I'll check, like, if the sum is current sum is equal to like array of I, array of left, and array of right is equal to target sum or not. If it is target sum, then I'll just increase the value, like, left value I will increase from here to here, and right value I will decrease from here to here. So it will do that. Otherwise, in else if condition, if current sum is less than target sum, then what I will do, I'll just increase the left value, like, I will have to shift the value, and we'll check, like, next thing. And otherwise, like, I'll just decrease the right value, so it will, like, decrease from 45 to 10 here. Okay, so I'll just show you. So what we will do, I'll comment out this method, and I'll uncomment this method. So I'll put one breakpoint here, and I'll put one breakpoint here as well. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll click on run. So I'll do F10. So length, what is the length here? Length is 6. Okay, so you can see here, right? This is the length of our array. Second thing what we will do, we'll just sort the array. So after sorting the array, we'll see. So 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 45. So this is my sorting, after this is my sorted array. After that what I'm using, I'm just using one for loop. So it will start from, and it will go till n minus 2. Okay, since I have started from here, so it will go till n minus 2. So left would be I plus 1. So since left would be 1, right? Since it has started from 0, so left would be 1, and right would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right would be 5. Okay, so right would be 5. Okay, so is left less than right? Yes. So left is 1 and right is 5. So inside that what we will do, we'll just take the value. So array of I equal to array of I equal to 0. So first, then array of left, what is the left value? 1, right? So what is the value of 1? 4. And what is the value of right? So right value is 45. So we'll sum this 1, 4 and 45. So is this equal to target sum? Yeah, so what is the sum here? We'll check. So sum is 50, right? And the target sum is 22. So what it will do, it will go, if current sum is equal to current sum is less than target sum. So no, it will go and it will decrease the value. So right side value would be now 4. Earlier it was 5, now it is 4. Okay. Again, the same thing it will do. It will go and check that value. So current sum is equal to 15. So if current sum is less than target sum, yes. After that, what it will do, it will just increase the left value. So now it left value would be 2. So it will check, like, similarly it will check all the value for the first position, like, 0th index. After that, it will start from the first index, then second index, the third index. It will go until all the values should be completed. Okay, so I'll just click on continue here. Yeah, so you can see the value 4, 8, 10. Okay, so this is our output. In this scenario, our time complexity would be big of n dot log n. Since I have taken that array dot sort method, that's the reason for sorting it will take log n. And for, like, since I have using two loops, so it big of n square. Since big of n square is bigger here, that's the reason time complexity would be big of n square, and the space complexity would be big of n, since I have taken that space which will irrespective of the size of array. Okay, so that's the reason it is big of 1. I hope you have understand this approach. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.